So this is you typing code, and this is you reviewing the code you type. Now I have one question for you. How do you keep track of what you have to do? If your answer is I read comments, let me show you a better way. So I'm here in Visual Studio Code, and I have a couple of files that I've been working on, and as you can see I have comments everywhere, here, there. Now some comments are mostly descriptive, but in some comments, and for some comments I need to have a look, because here it says fix me, here it says to do, here I have nothing, and here I have like something like a bug. Now if I were to open, if I have to have like 50, 60 items here, I need to open each and every one of these and try and find what I need to do, what I need to fix, what I need to review. But there's a better way. As you can see, I have a couple of different icons that you most probably do not have. One of them is this tree icon here, and this is because I have installed the extension to do tree. I have to do tree right here, and let's see how this works. So I have a couple of options, so I can either show only tags, and then based on the tags go into and have the system show me where I have this specific tag. So I have bugs, fix me, to do, and if I have something else, I can just have a look right here. I can look at everything in a similar manner to the Explorer. So I have the folders, and then I have the specific file and the amount of items where I have entered the word bug. Now, for example, if I were to add bug here as well, then as you can see it automatically updates here. Now I have a bug and a fix me, and I just need to click it and I will be automatically redirected. So that makes finding what I need much easier. Now you may ask yourself, well, why, or does it work with all of this or with any tag? So if you do fix my instead of fix me, then it's not here anymore, because there's a specific number of tags that are defined, and we can of course try and see if we can have some changes done. So let's have a look right here. Let's add an item, and let's say rester. Okay, so now try and go here, and instead of this, let's just do rester. And since it highlights, I think we did it correctly. I go here to the overview, and I have also rester. I'll post a link in the description of where you can download the extension, how you can do that. Have a look right in the comments if you have other ways of handling your to-dos. As always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.